going to be attempting to just style my hair with mousse. I saw a few other people do this, so I want to try it, especially because my hair gets weighed down really easily. The mousse we're going to be trying today is the Dew Mousse Def. It's a texture foam, and it says high definition control, and it says that it has a conditioner built into it. Now I do like to apply a leave-in before my products, and I have used this product with a leave-in before this video, but I haven't tried it by itself yet, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. My hair is damp, and I'm just going to be brushing it through. Sometimes when I don't part my hair comes out good, and then other times like it just doesn't. Like, so I like to part my hair in 2 sections. So I'm gonna do this section first. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put mousse in it. My hair is not soaking wet at all, so let's see. I can tell you this mousse feels really good. Like, it doesn't feel like another mousse that I have tried before. Like, it has like a thick but like creamy feel to it, and I really like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna be making sure I get this everywhere, if I can just get away with getting mousse. Like, you know, sometimes you just want voluminous results, not so much definition, and that's really what I want, is more volume and not definition. So I'm just fingering it through, and the good thing about mousse is you can get it on your roots, and it really won't weigh your hair down, whereas like a cream would weigh your hair down if you put it all the way up there. So that's what I really like. So this side is without product and this side is with product. And it looks good. So doing the same thing to the other side. If you guys have any products that you want me to try, make sure you put them down below. I'm always looking for new products to try, especially light ones, because my hair is just way down so fast. I don't know how that happened. Like, I swear it used to not do that, and now that's just what it likes to do. It's just feel way down. Like, there's certain products that I used to use that like I just cannot use anymore, because either it makes my hair feel greasy now, or it just weighs it down and it doesn't look like cute how it used to look. Yeah, so if you guys have any recommendations for that, let me know. And it literally comes out like this, like it has bubbles in it, but it feels so good. And then I'm just gonna rake my fingers through. Section right here. Alright, taking this bristle brush, I'm just brushing my edges back because they get so frizzy, and then I'm just gonna brush it back with the brush. Yeah, I like for my hair to dry like that. Yes. Okay. So now it's looking good. Now I'm going to take a t-shirt. I've dyed my hair with this t-shirt, so it looks dirty, but it's not. It's just old hair dye. This is like on my hair shirt I use for everything. So I'm just going to scrunch some of this water out of my hair. So now what I want to do is try this, and I ordered this off Amazon a while ago and I have yet to try it. I'm super bored. Like, I just found myself watching a whole bunch of hair dye videos and I don't need to dye my hair, so this is a better way, and if it works I'm gonna be ordering more colors. So I previously used this on my sister, just like on her tips. If I've done her braids or something, she's like to use this, but I haven't used it yet. I'm just gonna start off with about this much and work it on my hands. And then I'm just going to rake it through my hair like this. I feel like I got it everywhere. But oh yeah, I feel cute. I feel cute. Hopefully my curls dry how they usually do. Alright y'all, I got it everywhere, it looked like. So I hope this hurry up and dry. My hair dries pretty fast, but I don't want it to be transferring on everything until then. So yeah, what are my boyfriend gonna say? Boo, come look at my hair. What you think?
It's purple.
You like it?
I do, it's different. It's purple.
It ain't gonna be that purple when it dry. It ain't gonna be that purple.
Cool.
Yeah.
I like it.
Oh, you do?
Sexy. What are other colors that they have?
Oh, blue, orange. You know, I wanna do pink. If this come out cute, I wanna do pink.
Cool.
Alright y'all, so I'm gonna let my hair dry, and when it dries, I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see the final result. Hopefully I come out looking cute and not like a rugrat, because I just want to be cute. But yeah, I'm about to clean my face up and stuff, and yeah, I'll see you guys when my hair dries. Alright y'all, I know what you're thinking. This is day 3. I was supposed to come back after it dried, but that didn't end up happening. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I haven't even took my bonnet off yet, so I'm gonna show you guys how I refreshed it yesterday, which I was actually surprised because this is how my hair looks every time it comes out of the bonnet. In the mirror it doesn't look that bad. Sometimes it comes out worse. We'll see when I have to take this down. Okay. So I do want to say it dried really nice. Like, it wasn't, I was able to scrunch it out so it wasn't like crunchy or anything. And yeah, we're just gonna get into this. This is how my hair looks. So the first thing I like to do is shake my hair because it's like flattened on my scalp. Okay, so the only thing I can say that I didn't like when I did it was I felt like I had purple hot roots. Like, if you see, they just look like so purple. And then the rest of my hair was like this pretty purple, and I had like some pinkish looking streaks going through it. Let me see. I kind of can't tell now, but I'm just going to detangle. So what I did yesterday, and I was so surprised, I'm going to show you how I refreshed it yesterday, and to my surprise, after it dried, I had no like transferring. It's not transferring on my clothes nowhere after it dried. So all I've been doing is spraying a little bit of water on my hand just to get my hand wet, and then I'll just start scrunching my hair. And I was so surprised because I thought like purple would be all over my hand, but look, like literally nothing. So I just do a little bit at a time just to get my hand a little bit wet, and then I start scrunching like this. So my hair is actually on good behavior. I really feel like this is so perfect. Like, it's holding my hair like so perfect when I go to sleep that when I wake up it's not like too frizzy where I feel like I have to like really refresh. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look with the purple hair wax. Absolutely love it. And this one is Mofojang, if that's how you say it, and I got this off Amazon. So yeah, just put in purple hair paint wax and you should find it, or I might put the link down below. But yes, I absolutely love it so much. Like, especially when I feel so bored with my hair, this is just so perfect just to add some color. Like, I love it. I love it. I wish I would have tried it sooner. I can't wait for summer because I'm definitely gonna be having purple hair again, period. Okay, so if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and go ahead and hit that red subscribe button so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And yes, if you ever tried a purple hair wax or any color, let me know down below what's your favorite color that you saw. Yes, let me show you guys the back. So yeah, this is so pretty, and like, it didn't weigh my hair down. Like, I feel like in some spots maybe it weighed it down a little bit, but no, like, I've had worse from just hair products and not like a hair wax. So yes, this is so cute. Let me give you guys an up close. Hope you guys can see. And like, my hair is not stiff at all, y'all. Like, it is not stiff. I So let me show you guys. This is what my hands look like after I just got done refreshing it. And you know what, that's okay, because I have a whole bunch of purple in my hair and I did wet my hair a little bit. But yesterday I didn't even get that, so I felt like I had to use more water today, because like it was a little bit more stiff and I had it in that ponytail, that pineapple on top of my head. So I feel like that's why I had to scrunch it so much. But yes, like this is lasting so nice. Like sometimes I don't even get this out of my wash day, which is so crazy. And I only used a mousse. I really like that mousse. Like it doesn't feel like any other mousse that I've ever used. But I definitely want to do another video on my channel with a separate mousse, if I get fluffier results with that one. But yeah, like I said, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe and leave me a comment down below. I love you guys. Bye.